Yes, good morning all. It is just after daybreak. It's 7:30 in the morning. It is August 27th, 2011, Suffolk County, Long Island. This is the calm before the storm. We are getting ready for Hurricane Irene, who is going to making her appearance probably late day today into tomorrow morning. If you look, very calm out, wind hardly any. You can see that everything is basically tied down, ropes stacked up. Everything is prepared for this storm. It is quiet, it is calm. Everybody's doing their last minute preparations. But again, this is the calm before the storm. We are expecting a Category 1 hurricane here in the Long Island region. Winds up to 100 miles an hour. Wind gusts probably around the 65 to 85 mile an hour. Possibly again up to 100 miles an hour. Please make sure you prepare, you have plenty of water on hand and food on hand. Take care of your loved ones, the elderly, the frail. Your pets are very important. Please by no means take a Category 1 lightly by any means. Just remember in 1985, Hurricane Gloria ravaged Long Island, knocking out power for approximately a week, even longer. Gas up your cars, prepare to stay indoors, secure all your outdoor belongings, your personal items. If needed, board up your windows, tape up your windows, and prepare for this beast that's going to be pounding Long Island within hours. I will give you updates as they unfold across the region. I will be in the storm itself, giving you live footage. The skies are gray. It is calm out. There are hardly any animals or birds around. Very few, if that. They have some sort of keen instinct that they know something is going to happen. And it's going to happen soon. From Suffolk County, Long Island, signing out for now. I will be back with updates as they unfold across the region, people. Again, the calm before the storm. Preparations are underway, and we will give you updates as soon as they unfold. Be safe. Do not take this storm lightly by any means.